I'm Byron with Unique Truck Equipment, and today we're looking at the Nexiq USB-Link 2. Now, taking a close-up look at the Nexiq USB-Link 2 kit, we can see that it comes in a plastic blow-molded case. It includes a quick start guide and some literature here on the eTechnician software. It has the USB-Link 2, a 6 and 9 pin cable, and the latching USB cable. The new design actually includes a clip portion that allows it to stay clipped and connected to the USB link when it is connected. Another difference you will notice is the device itself, the USB Link 2, has pins in it now, where the pins used to be on the cable side. This means that any cables you have for any previous models of USB, the USB 1, will no longer be compatible with the USB Link 2. However, if you were doing medium duty Volvos or Macs and use those OBD II cables, they have consolidated them all into one cable. This doesn't come with this kit, it is sold separately, but this one adapter will do all of your OBD II medium and your Volvo Mac heavy duty. We do have in stock many of the USB links, this one being the Bluetooth edition. There is another edition that is Wi-Fi as well. Unique Truck Equipment is an authorized Nexiq distributor. If you're in the market for a Nexiq USB Link 2 or genuine Nexiq replacement cables, give us a call or find us online at uniquetruck.com.